Rumens SA is one of the largest manufacturers and suppliers of bearings and bearings-related services in Southeast Europe. It has over 60 years of experience in the global market and has developed a reputation for innovation and quality. The company produces and distributes a complete range of products and bearings under the URB brand. The production process starts in the research and development department, where bearings are designed, analyzed, and introduced into simulation sequences with the use of various specialized software like ANSYS, MESYS, or Creo Parameter. Rumens SA has also a bearing testing laboratory that includes single post test stands and multiple post test stands in order to conduct multiple types of standard tests: durability, startup, friction, and grease loss tests. The chemical composition of the raw materials and bearing components is analyzed in a dedicated laboratory. The forging process is carried out on forging lines and also on rolling mills equipment. The primary heat treatment is carried out on new and upgraded annealing lines and monitored by an advanced online system. The forged rings for the bearing components continue the process by turning operations on different types of lathes according to the design and size of rings. Precision measurements and checks of bearing components are carried out on different equipment types: length measuring machines, industrial microscopes, and profile projectors. Secondary heat treatment is carried out on production lines with electric heating and automatic operation. Also, the line is equipped with process computers and online monitoring system of the treatment process, which have the capability to check continuously the process parameters for each product or process part to save and archiving the data and parameters of the heat treatment process. The grinding process for bearing rings is carried out on lines of grinding machines or on individual CNC or modernized grinding machines equipped with in-process control devices that ensure a continuous checking for the ring's parameters. The 3D coordinate measuring machines and the universal measuring machines provide high precision and accurate measurements of lengths, diameters, threads, and angles of the tested parts. Before the bearings assembly process, all bearing components are dimensional and geometrically checked on passive control devices. The roller manufacturing process is carried out on press machines or CNC lathes and continues with grinding operations at the end sides and rolling surfaces on grinding machines simultaneously. The secondary heat treatment of the bearing rollers is carried out on upgraded hardening and tempering lines, equipped with process computers and online monitoring system for continuous monitoring of the heat treatment process. The grinding process for bearing rollers is carried out on lines of grinding machines or on individual CNC or modernized grinding machines. For the final inspection of the bearing rollers, some non-destructive ultrasonic, eddy current, and magnetic particle testing equipment is used. Roller sorting is done on automatic roller sorting machines according to their diameter and length. The manufacturing process for brass cages includes brass preparation and melting equipment, centrifugal casting machines, and machines for mechanical processing by turning, milling, or drilling. The manufacturing process for steel sheet cages is carried out on multi-post pressing or on individual pressing machines. Bearings assembly technology is done manually for all bearing groups. After inserting the rollers separately in each cage, the bearing is assembled and radial clearance is checked. After the assembly and final inspection operations, the last stages of the bearing manufacturing process include the marking, washing, and preservation, packaging, and storage of the bearings. An important feature of the bearing marking process consists in the application of the trademark symbol and also the application of an ID code on each bearing for a unique identification and a guarantee to the customers the originality of the bearings. The dimensional inspection of the assembled bearings is carried out on 3D coordinate measuring machine. The packing of the product should comply with provisions, technical specifications, or special customer requirements. The company has implemented and maintains an integrated management system, including certifications according to quality, environment, and occupational health and safety standards. The quality management system is also certified according to specific standards for automotive industry and international railway industry. Rumens SA produces bearings for use in a wide range of fields, from agricultural to petroleum or heavy industry, and has a distribution network of more than 40 countries all over the world, with Europe, Middle East, and North America as main areas of distribution. Rumens SA is your reliable and professional partner and URB brand bearing supplier. Our bearings continue to be the wise choice for ultra-reliable bearings.